Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. I remember my humble self, Chukwukobelago. And in today's video, I want to talk about adding liquidity pool to existing pool. Okay, if you've been following this tip series, okay, this FudmartSwap tip series, you will know that the last video we did was how to create a new trading pair on FudmartSwap. Okay, but today we're going to talk about adding liquidity to existing pool. Let's say you've created a pair, okay, for the first time, okay, but you want to add subsequent liquidity. Okay, this video will guide you, or maybe because of the upcoming liquidity promo that we're going to do, maybe you want to add liquidity to an existing pair, okay, existing pool. Okay, let me just use pool. To an existing pool, okay, you are going to need this video. So stay tuned, watch to the end, give a like to the video if you find value in it, and also share with your friends who are looking for ways to make credible money in cryptocurrency. So without much ado, let me dive straight into it. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to click on pool. Okay, you need to click on pool. Now, let's say you are using a wallet that has not provided liquidity at all, or maybe you're using the wallet you use to provide liquidity. Okay, what you can do is either if you are using a wallet that has not provided liquidity, but you want to provide liquidity to something like FMTB USD pool. Okay, FMTB BUSD pool. Okay, if you have not provided liquidity before, you won't see anything in your liquidity side. What you would do is you click add liquidity. Okay, when you click add liquidity, all you have to do is select FMTB. Okay, just type in FMTB. By the way, we are working to conclude the addition of FMTB to the default token list on Binance Smart Chain Network. So as you can see, FMTB is currently there in the default list. It's just that the logo is not yet implemented. Okay, so FMTB, and maybe because what the pool we have is okay. So this is me adding the first for BNB FMTB, but I don't want to add for the first time. I want to add to an existing pool. So what I have to do is I have to select BUSD. The moment I select BUSD, it will let me know that, hey, this is the current price of FMTB, and this is the current price of FMTB, and I have zero share in trying to add this. I have no share at all, because each time you're adding a new liquidity to the pool is telling you what share of the pool you are getting. Okay, if you're adding to an existing pool. So in this case, let's say I want to add 1,000. Okay, so right now, if I want to add 1,000 FMTB, I will need to have at least 8,575 BUSD. Okay, so let's say I want to do 100. 100 means $800. So this is good, but as you can see, I will now, if I add this, it will now give me additional 36.66% of the share of the pool. Okay, it will give me additional 36.66% share of the pool on top of what I already have. Assuming I'm using a different wallet that I have not added liquidity at all, then 36.66% will be my own pool share. Okay, so but let's say let me do an experiment. Let's say I want to add this $1 that I have to the pool. Okay, so you see, for adding $1, I will need to add 0.116615, okay, to the existing pool. It has to be 50-50. So my share of the pool that I will get is 0.07%. Okay, all right. So this is what I have already existing. Okay, so if I click supply, guess what will happen? It will ask me to confirm. Now, if this is the first time you're adding adding to your pool, or you have not approved FMTB before on your wallet and also approved BUSD, you will have to do approval before you add. So you can see here, when trying to supply, okay, when trying to supply, it's going to tell you to pay a fee. Now you can see that the fee is 4.74 USD compared to when you are creating a pair. When you're creating a pair, you're almost going to need about $70. Okay, it's because the fee normally fluctuates within 60 something dollars, about 64, 65, $63. So in this case it's $4.74. So what I have to pay that. This is a demo just to show you guys, and I click approve. Now here you can see pending. It's turning. If I click on it, it will show me that this is turning. Add 1 BUSD and 0.116 FMTB. Okay, and this is extremely fast because it has confirmed. Okay, as you can see that, so I've added 1 BUSD and 0.116 FMTB to the pool. Okay, so my pool size has increased. So now another thing again you need to know is this. Another thing you need to know is this. Each time you provide liquidity, okay, each time you provide liquidity to the liquidity pool, okay, to an existing liquidity pool, or maybe you created a new pool, okay, but each time you created a new pool or you added to an existing pool, okay, you are given what is called liquidity pool token. Okay, LP token, liquidity pool token. So in the case of FudmartSwap, you will receive FudmartSwap liquidity pool token. Okay, FLP. Okay, now that token represents your share of the liquidity pool. Okay, that token represents your share of the liquidity pool. Okay, it represents your share of the liquidity pool. It's very important to know this. So in the case of SushiSwap exchange, okay, you can see SushiSwap LP token. Okay, so in the case of FudmartSwap, you can see FudmartSwap LP token. So I provided, so this is the liquidity, this is the one for FudmartSwap. I have about 451.67303659 FLP token. So this is your share of the pool. Now do not sell this if you are not looking to leave the market. Okay, you cannot sell these tokens. It has no price. Okay, and you cannot transfer it to anybody. You transfer it, the moment you transfer it to somebody else, you have handed over your share of the pool to that person. Okay, the moment you send this FLP token to anybody, you have handed over your share of the liquidity pool to that person. So please do not send this FLP token to anybody. Okay, now on top of that, when you decide to remove your liquidity, okay, let's say you've invested long, okay, and you want to remove the liquidity. When you are removing liquidity, okay, this token, let's say I remove liquidity for FMTB BUSD, what will happen is that these 451 FLP tokens will be burned. Okay, it will be removed from my balance. Okay, it will be removed from my balance, and I will have 0 here, so which means it's burnt and I have no share in the liquidity pool of FMTB BUSD. Okay, now another thing again we plan to do is to add staking. Okay, to add staking. Okay, the reason for us to add staking is so that you get more reward from your liquidity pool investment. So when you provide liquidity, you are giving pool tokens. These are what I'm showing you here. When you're giving those pool tokens, you can take that pool token and go and stake in the staking area of FudmartSwap, but we are yet to launch that. It's not yet launched. Okay, so when you stake that, guess what happens? You get to earn a token as a reward every day. Okay, you get to earn a token as a reward every single day. Okay, sorry about that. You get to earn a token as a reward every single day. Okay, but I'll do more video about that when the time is ripe. We're working with developers to see how they can get started in developing it and how fast they can get it done. Okay, you know, in cryptocurrency development, it's not about how fast, it's about how well it's done. Just like you guys are enjoying FudmartSwap, assuming we launch prematurely, you guys won't be enjoying FudmartSwap. But right now, you guys are enjoying FudmartSwap, and some of you guys are trading. Okay, so I just want to also you know wanted to make sure that you guys understand this. Okay, you guys understand the FLP. They are providing liquidity to an existing liquidity pool and also FLP tokens. Okay, these are my share of the liquidity pool. The moment I remove my liquidity, all these, if I want to remove any of these liquidity pools, my liquidity from any of these liquidity pools, my share of the FLP token, that the FLP token that represents my share will become 0. Okay, it will become 0. Okay. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and let's see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.